Hello and welcome to my channel Super Teacher. By the end of this video you should be able to know what is how to add and subtract real numbers. But first you should know what are the rules of the real adding and subtracting real numbers. You should memorize all these rules. It's easy and it will not take from you any time. First rule, we have positive plus positive. What we are going to do, we will add and we put the sign to be positive. What if it's negative and negative number? Again, we will add. If it's the same sign, always we will add and we put the same sign of the numbers. So we will add and we put negative sign. What if it's different signs, positive and negative? We will subtract and we put the sign of the big number. Wait. It's fine. We will do examples about that. But first we have, so remember that this is very important for you. Very important. You can take a photo for this and keep it with you to help you later. Now these are also important things that if we have like a bracket and we have negative outside and positive inside, the negative is stronger than the positive, so it will be -9. Here plus and minus, if we have plus outside the bracket and negative inside the bracket, again the negative is stronger than the positive, so it will be -9. Here we have negative outside and negative inside, so what is the sign of the 9? Is it negative or positive? Negative times negative will be positive sign, so it will be +9. So these also are important rules. Now we will use these two in the exercises. First one is -5 plus 23. So you will tell me, okay, this is the sign of the 5. We know it's negative. Now what is the sign of the 23? And this is the plus. So this one is the same of this one. Right? It's different sign. But you say, what is the sign of 23? The sign of 23 is the same of this sign. What is the, you'll tell me, okay, this is the operation. Yeah, it's the operation, and it is the same time, it is the sign of the number. So the negative is for the 5 and the plus for the 23. So this one it has two jobs. The first thing is to be the operation, and the second thing is to be the sign of the number. So now we will use this rule because we have positive and negative, so we will subtract. So 23 minus 5, we will subtract. For sure we cannot subtract 5 from 23, so we will say 23 minus 5, which is 18, and then we put the sign of the big number, which is 23, so it will be +18. So you can put plus, but usually we don't put plus. Just leave it like this and it is +18. Let's see another exercise, which is -15 plus -9. Here we have signs for every number, which is good. And here also, I don't want you to be confused, but this is the same of this one here, that if we have positive and negative, the sign will be negative, which is shown here that the sign is -9, and here the sign is negative for the 15. So we will use the second rule, that negative and negative, if it's the same sign, we will add, so it will be 24. And what is the sign? The sign will be negative, so we add 9 plus 15, which is 24, and we put the sign, which is negative. Here we have, now I want to ask you, what is the sign of 2? Don't tell me it's negative. No, this is the sign after, it's not the sign of the number. The sign of the number should be before the number, not after the number. It should be to the left of the number, not to the right of the number. So do we have any signs here? No, so it will be positive. Now what is the sign of 3? You will tell me it's -3. No, it's not -3, because we said here that if we have two negative beside each other, we change it to positive. So it will be +3. They will join together and it will be negative plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now the last question is 5 plus -2. Now what is the sign of 5? The sign of 5 is positive. And the sign of, again, we have plus and minus outside. We have outside plus and negative inside. So we go back here. If we have positive and negative, so what will be the sign of the number? It will be negative, right? So it will be negative. So if you have plus in the same in the middle, that will be easy for you. So you will not change the sign of this number. 5 minus 2 will be 3. That's it. This is positive and this negative. So we subtract and we put the sign of the big number, which is positive. I hope this video is I hope you enjoyed this video and it's helpful for you. Thanks a lot. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe for the channel. Bye bye.